Hey Excel users, today we're diving into a super useful shortcut that will save you tons of time. I call it the data detective. It's the control backslash and it identifies difference between two columns in seconds. That's not all. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll be throwing a bonus tip. So what does it do? The control plus backslash quickly highlights cells in the selected range that are different from the corresponding cells in the columns to its left. That if the columns were adjacent. It's perfect for comparing data and spotting discrepancies. Here's how to use it. For adjacent column, just like these, select the range of cells you want to compare. Press Ctrl backslash. Excel will instantly highlight the cells that are different. You can then change the cell color or font to be able to spot the differences. Now, for non-adjacent columns, like so, select first the range of cell you want to spot the differences in. Then select the second range of cell. So let's say I want to spot the difference in this range, so I have to select it first, then select this one, and then when I press the control backslash, it highlights the cell in the first range selected. And if I want to spot the differences here, I select this one first, this one, and I press control backslash. It's that simple. This shortcut is a game changer for data analysis, error checking, or just quickly spotting changes in your spreadsheet. Give it a try and see how much time you can save. Now, here comes the bonus tip. Whether the columns are adjacent or not, and you want to highlight the differences in both columns. So here and here, or here and here. You can use the conditional formatting, and this is how it's done. For adjacent columns, just select the range and go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, use formula to determine which cells to format. Or you can simply press the shortcut key Alt-H-LN. Now here where we're gonna write the formula, we need to find the difference between cell A2 and cell B2. Remember, don't select the header. So the formula is gonna be equal A2. Then I'm gonna press F4 key and toggle until I lock the column. So F4, F4, F4. And here's how I lock the column when the dollar sign shows before the A. And then I input the different than B2. And I also press the F4 key again. So here's my formula. Now I set the format. So let's say I wanted to highlight the difference in yellow. So here are the different cells. Now, if you go to the conditional formatting and manage rule and check the range, it's from A2 to B21. Now, for non-adjacent cells, I'm gonna select the first range and press the control key and select the second range. I'm gonna repeat the process that I did before. Create rule, new rule, equal A2 different than M2. I'm gonna set the format here by the color, by the font. So here it is. Always bear in mind that if you are not applying the conditional formatting to a table and you added more data, like here for example, I'm gonna add socks, always need to update the range in the conditional formatting in the manage rule and check if it's covering all the range. So I'm gonna add more data now and see what's gonna happen. Let's say we added another scarf. So if it did not apply the conditional formatting, I should always come and select the range again. Also remember that Excel is not case sensitive. So let's say here I added scarf and scarf. So this one was all lowercase, detected as different. However, if any of the words had additional space at the end, like here, I added a space, it's gonna be considered or identified as different. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found this Excel shortcut useful and learned something new. If you enjoyed the video and picked up some handy tips, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Excel tricks and productivity hacks. Let me know your thoughts in the comment and if you'll be using this shortcut in your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.